99 Suburban 5. Any Chevy 5.7 or 5.0. Got your ignition control module right here, and you got your ignition coil right there. And you know, if you're having any issues with running, dying, just dying while accelerating, can be a main cause. There's my ignition coil, there's my control module, 2 bolts for each. One's a 8mm. Sometimes you have rivets on the ignition coil, and sometimes you gotta cut them off and put the bolts in. Mine have bolts already. So control module is 7mm, I believe, and that ends up being an 8mm. So there you go. Pop them guys off, put your dielectric grease on there, keep it from overheating on your control module. Put it back on, reset the battery for 30 minutes, let the system relearn the new item, and there you go. Hopefully it fixes your problems.